I have written number 5, and we have learnt up to adverb of frequency, and in this video I would like to discuss about the adverb of degree and interrogative adverb specially, and also another adverb, that is adverb of reason. Okay, so the first, that is adverb of degree. What is the meaning of this? An adverb of degree or quantity tells how much or to what degree or to what extent a thing is done. To what degree or to what extent? That means we have to question with this, to what degree or to what extent. So again I am telling, the adverb of degree or quantity tells how much or to what degree. How much or to what degree? How much means you can say that it is quantity, and degree means here, that means you can say that to what extent. Okay, so here I have given the example also. Mohan is too careless. Mohan is that means how much, to what degree or to what extent is he careless, that means too careless. Okay, so this word too would be the adverb of degree. Clear? Now come to the next one, that is interrogative adverb. Interrogative means you can understand very well that it starts with WH word, and it will obviously we will question. Interrogative adverbs are used for asking a question, asking questions. Okay, so it's very easy. Where is the thief hiding? Where is the thief hiding? Obviously you know that WH words would be the interrogative adverbs. Where? So here where is interrogative adverb. Place of hiding, where? We are actually questioning with the place of hiding. Where is he hiding? Where? So this with this word where we can ask the question. So it would be interrogative adverb. Clear? Students, please look at the board here. I have written adverb of reason. So they show the reason for the action expressed in the sentence. They show, that means adverb of reason show the reason for the action. The reason for the action, that means the reason for the work expressed in the sentence. So we would like to going to ask with the question why. Example, here I have written, he did not work hard, therefore he failed. Okay, so what is the cause of his failure? That is, he did not work hard. Therefore, this word would be the reason, that means the adverb of reason. Okay, so here that's why I have underlined here, therefore. He did not work hard, therefore he failed. So what is the cause of your failure, of his failure? That is, he did not work hard, and therefore is actually it is the reason for the action expressed in the sentence. This therefore would be the reason, adverb of reason. Okay, students, here you can see a clip that I have taken from a book. Okay, these words, you can see the words are there in the box, and I have pointed out with the black marker. You can see these words would help you to identify that these are the kinds of adverbs. The first one, here you can see that is some other adverbs of time. So with these words you can identify that this would be the adverb of time. What are these? Soon, late, today, yesterday, now, before, tomorrow, yet, really, immediately, presently, etc. Okay, and whatever I am doing in the video, I am doing in the board, and please write it down in your copy along with this what I am pointing out here. Some other adverbs of place. With these words you can identify that this would be the adverb of place. What are these? Away, then below, above, here, without, within, in, inside, outside, elsewhere, far, near, etc. Okay, now in this point you can see some other adverbs of manner. What are these? These words would help you to identify that this would be the adverb of manner. What are these? Well, then sadly, gladly, carefully, agreeably, loudly, quickly, swiftly, steadily, gently, boldly, etc. Generally, words along with the ly denotes that adverb of manner. Okay. Here also please see some other adverbs of degree. That means with these words you can identify that these are the adverb of degree. What? Much, wholly, partly, entirely, exceedingly, then quite, rather, altogether, enough, almost, very, etc. With these words you can identify that these are the adverb of degree. Here some other adverb of frequency. With these words you can identify this will be the adverb of frequency. Again, once, twice, secondly, thirdly, frequently, never, sometimes, etc. And this is the last part. Here you see some other adverbs of reason. With these words you can identify also that this would be the adverb of reason. Still, consequently, doubtlessly, likewise, so. So, these words would help you to identify what kind of adverbs are these. Okay, please write it down in your copy.